selling fear like it was truth. Every sound had an opinion on what I should and shouldn't do. The world kept shouting answer, pain kept calling out my name. But I learned how to listen when I couldn't escape. I didn't find you in the choir, I found you in the class. When everything was screaming, you still spoke me back. So I prayed through the noise, through the doubt, through the fear, through the lies, through the echoes of failure that tried to rewrite my life. Yeah, I prayed through the noise when my faith felt thin and worn. I couldn't silence the chaos, so I talked to God through the storm. I prayed with my mouth shaking, I prayed with my hands clenched tight, I prayed with my heart divided, trying to believe and fight. I didn't always hear you clearly, but I knew you heard me call. There's something in the pressure kept me from the fall. I didn't wait for perfect timing, I didn't clean my voice, I just reached for heaven in the middle of the noise. Yeah, I prayed through the noise, through the static and the shame, through the memories that haunted and the nights that felt the same. Yeah, I prayed through the noise when the silence wouldn't stay. I didn't need the storm to stop, I just needed God to stay. Let them talk, let them shout, let the world keep breaking loud. I've heard a voice that carries weight and it don't get drowned out. When fear tried to take the mic, you spoke louder in my chest, not in volume, but in truth. And I held on to that. Yeah, I prayed through the noise, and you answered with your nearness. Not explanations, not escape, just your presence holding me steady. Yeah, I prayed through the noise, and I'm still here to say the loudest thing in my life was grace that wouldn't fade. I heard you. Even then